Hey guys, Samsung launched another entry-level smartphone, Samsung Galaxy A05s. The phone built with glass in the front, plastic back and plastic frame, and the phone comes with 6.7-inch 90Hz IPS LCD display with the resolution 1080 into 2400 pixels. Out of the box, the phone running Android 13 with One UI 5.1, and the phone comes with Snapdragon 680 processor with 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage. In the back, the phone comes with triple camera setup, 50MP main sensor, 2MP macro shooter, 2MP depth sensor, and the front is come with 13MP selfie camera, and the phone powered by 5000 mAh battery and is support 25W fast charger. And the phone launched in India yesterday, 15,000 rupee for 6GB of RAM and 128GB storage. So that's all about Galaxy A05s review. So if you found this video informative, make sure hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catching the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.